Good morning, dear students. Today we will read Chapter 9, Safe Handling and Storage of Water. We have already learnt about a balanced diet and its importance. Besides balanced diet, our body also needs water for its proper functioning. It needs water for digestion of food and for removal of waste from the body. We need to drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Potable water. Water which is clean and fit for drinking is called potable water. At some places, people use groundwater and river water for drinking. This water may not be fit for drinking as it often contains dirt and germs. In cities, people get drinking water from taps. This water is cleaner than groundwater or river water. However, sometimes it may still contain some germs. We should take care to drink clean and pure water. Drinking unclean water can cause diseases like jaundice, diarrhea, dysentery, and cholera. We therefore need to purify water before drinking it. Let us learn. Let's learn some method of purifying water. Methods of purification of water. Number 1, boiling. The most common method of purifying water is boiling. Boiling kills the germs present in water. Number 2, filtration. We can filter water through a clean thin cloth. We can use a traditional filter containing sand and gravel. Filtration removes dust and other suspended particles from water. However, this method does not remove germs. For removing germs, water should be boiled after filtration. Nowadays, many types of modern filters are available. These filters not only remove the dust and other suspended particles from water but also remove germs. Water filtered by such filters can be directly used for drinking. Number 3, chlorination. Filtered water can also be purified by adding a correct small amount of chlorine in it. This kills germs and make it fit for drinking. Need for avoiding stagnation of water. Dirty and stagnant water is a major cause of diseases. Such water is a breeding place for mosquitoes. Mosquitoes spread diseases like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya. We all need to take care that water is not allowed to stagnate in old or broken containers around our house. We should also change water in room coolers and flower pots after every 3-4 days. When water in room cooler cannot be changed, 2 spoons of kerosene should be put in it to keep the mosquitoes away. Safe handling and storage of water. People often store water in earthen pot and containers made of copper, brass, or steel. People also store water in plastic containers like bottles or buckets or in container made of metal like aluminium or steel. Proper storage and safe handling of purified water is very important to keep the germs away. Some ways of proper storage and safe handling of water are suggested below. Water should always be stored in clean and covered containers. We should never dip our hands in water stored for drinking purpose. We should use a ladle or some other clean utensils to take out water from a container. We should not drink water that has been stored for many days. We thus realize that we not only need to conserve water but also make sure that the water used for drinking is clean, pure, and potable. Let's ensure that water that is meant to help us does not get polluted. Thank you. Have a nice day.